Mingalawa. So today is a week 5 for Burmese conversational and script lesson. So as I mentioned before, we going back to the review from week 1 to week 4, then we will go back to the week 5. So for week 1 to week 4 in conversational science. So in week 1 we started covering the vocabulary about the subject matter, right? So I, we, he, she, they. So I we call for male we call jano. For the female we call jama, but if it's a singular form, but plural forms is for the same. For male or female, we put do. Jano do, that will be a plural form, or for the female plural form jama do. Okay, singular jano jama, plural jano do jama do. Then we explain about you. You have a 3 ways you can say it. In the informal, you say me. Or informal, the one you don't know, we say kamya. And female, you say shin. That's a singular. Or plural form, we put a do. Min do, kamya do, shin do. Then we go to he, she, and they. He is the male context, we say tu. Female, she, we say tu ma. They, tu do, or tu ma do. We put a do, right? So a group of girls, we say tu ma do. A group of male boys, we say tu do. Then we talk about this and that. Okay, this we say da and di. That we say eda, edi. Then here we say diha. There we say hoha. Here diha, there hoha. Then yes we say hoke. No we say mahopu. And we also cover about you put ba to be polite. So yes we say hoke ba. Mahopa bu. Yeah. And then if you put kamya at the end, that's for the male context. Hokeba kamya, hokeba shin, mahobabu kamya, mahobabu shin. Yeah. That's for the week 1 conversations. And week 2, we talk about the vocabulary, right? Remember, you can record it. Map, we call miebo. A book, sao. Newspaper, the dinza. Clock, nayi. Ballpoint pen, ball pen. Pencil, kedan. Bag, 8. Now in the question, we say what is in Burmese ba? What is this? Dabale. So you ask a question. What is this? Dabale. Then short sentences, we cover about how are you when you greet someone. We say how are you is ni kaung la. Yeah, so in a question mark. If you say I'm fine, ni kaung de. If you say I'm not fine, ni ma kaung bu. That's a short version. Remember you put pa to be polite. Ni kaung pa de. Ni ma kaung ba bu. The main context, ni kaung pa de kamya. Ni ma kaung ba bu kamya. Ni kaung ba de shin. Ni ma kaung ba bu shin. Then we ask about what's your name. Name we call in Burmese name. Name belu kole. What's your name? Name belu kole kamya. Name belu kole shin. Then you respond, my name is Ni. Yeah. Jama. So because Ni is a female name, so in Burmese, so Jama name Nimba. Right? So if you say my name is Ong, it's a male context. Jano name Ong Ba. And glad to see you, glad meeting you. So we say Tuyada Wanta Ba de. In a polite way, for male context တွေ့ရတာဝမ်းသာပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာတွေ့ရတာဝမ်းသာပါတယ်ရှင် Then week 3 we talk about understanding in Burmese is nale yeah when you ask a question do you understand la nale la is a question mark remember la normally you put at the end to ask a question nale la and you say if you do understand nale de if you don't understand namale bu ma and bu will create a negative response in a polite way nale bade namale pa bu put pa in between or at the end in a polite response for the male context nale bade khamya nale bade shin namale ba bu khamya namale ba bu shin then we talk about the price is cheap in expensive we call zi po de zi chu the price is expensive we talk about zi ji de right so zi po de zi chu de is inexpensive cheap zi ji de is expensive yeah then we cover about if you did something and then someone apologized to you and then you say it doesn't matter it's okay so that means we say in Burmese kaisa mashi bu you put pa in polite kaisa mashi ba bu and in a male context kaisa mashi ba bu khamya kaisa mashi ba bu shin then thank you we say jesu tin de for a polite way jesu tin pa de male context you can put khamya at the end jesu tin pa de khamya jesu tin pa de shin so week 4 that's last week have you eaten you ask someone is already eaten or not so we say sa pi bi la and then if someone respond yes I did so sa pi bi and if you say I haven't sa ma pi de bu put a pa in the polite response sa pi ba bi sa ma pi de ba bu sa pi ba bi khamya sa ma pi de ba bu khamya yeah that or in other way you say messiah devu khamya or messiah devu shin okay so that's mean yes or no response then we cover about is this something right so is this a book so you say in Burmese da is this is da right da book is sao da sao la is a question mark is it a book da sao la is this a pencil da kedan la is this a map da mye bon la so you want to confirm something and then the next one we cover about what is this called in Burmese da belu khole what mean da belu mean how you call it da belu khole okay then we cover about the number 0 to 10 0 in Burmese is 3 nya 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 and in a shorter form 8 9 10 that's it 3 nya 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 that's it so that's a revision for conversational week 1 to week 4 so now we're going to cover some vocabulary and then sentences okay 6 sentences okay so the first one is you're going to ask what nationality are you right so you say when you meet someone you want to know what nationality are you right so in Burmese we say ba lu myo le ba lu myo le remember le is a question mark so ba is what lu myo is nationality right so ba lu myo le so you ask okay and then you respond I'm a Burmese and then you're going to ask where are you from yeah so you reply I am a Burmese yeah and you ask, where are you from? Yeah, so where are you from? So in Burmese, how you say I'm a Burmese? So remember, if you are a male, you say Chano. If you are a female, you say Chama. Okay? So Burmese is Myanmar. Yeah? Myanmar, and then you copy that Lu Myo Pa. Yeah, this is a Lu Myo, right? So it's a nationality. Myanmar Lu Myo Ba, Myanmar Lu Myo Ba Khmya, Chano Myanmar Lu Myo Ba Khmya. You want to put your subject. So in a male context, you put Chano, female, you put Chama. Chano Myanmar Lu Myo Ba Khmya, Chama Myanmar Lu Myo Ba Shin. Yeah. Then you ask, where are you from, right? So we ask, where are you from? Okay. So you is, you remember, main, okay? Main or Khmya or Shin. Yeah. So main pe ga le. Yeah. So main pe ga le. Main pe ga le, right? So Bega mean where you from. Min Bega le. So you're asking about which country you are from, right? So the response will be like, say you're seeing someone from America, right? So yeah, he or she will respond. Okay. I am an American. Yeah. So American. Yeah. I'm from, California, right? California. So the response will be, the other side is, if a male contest, you put Jano, female contest, she will put Jama, right? So Jano, American, nationality, how you say? Lumyo ba. Jano, American Lumyo ba. Okay? So American in Burmese, right? We say American. American, Lumyo. Lumyo is the nationality. Lumyo ba, right? So I'm American, Lumyo ba. And he said that he's from California, right? So and then he's going to ask, California is a California ma, yeah, ne pa de. There is a response, yeah, at the end. So ma is a conjunction, right? So that is in Burmese conjunctions and from, right? California ma ne pa de. Ne is live, right? Pa is you put a polite way, right? So I'm American, I'm from California. So in Burmese, Jano American Lumyo ba California ma, so ma means from, ma ne ba de, yeah. And then you ask, how about you? And then you ask back to the other people, how about you? And then you say, you live in Burma, right? You live in Yangon, let's say for in contest. So how you respond in Burmese? If you are a female context, you respond in Jama, right? Jama, Yango, ma, ne ba de. Same thing. Jama, Yango, ma, ne ba de. Okay, so that means you ask for someone and someone respond to you, right? So what is your nationality? Ba lu myo le. What is your nationality? Ba lu myo le. And your response will be Jano, Jama. So whatever the nationality you put in that context, right? Jano, let's say Piente. Jano Piente Lumyo ba. So he is a French, right? So Jano Piente Lumyo ba. Or Chinese, Jano Tayot Lumyo ba. China we call it Tayot, right? So that's when you put the context is whatever the nationality in that area, right? Jano Myanmar Lumyo ba. And then you ask, where are you from? Me Bema ni the le, right? Me Bema ni the le, right? And then you ask, where are you from? Min Bema ni the le, right? Where do you live? And then you say, I live in California. And then you say, Jano California ma ni ba de. Okay, you put pa and te at the end, right? Te you have to be full stop, like the end of the sentence in Burmese. ကျွန်တော်ရန်ကုန်မှာနေပါတယ်ကျမရန်ကုန်မှာနေပါတယ် okay so that's 4 words we're going to cover to 4 sentences we cover for week 5 then we're going to go for a bit of vocabulary right so telephone so we take the same as the the ballpoint pen we say telephone in Burmese telephone the same thing right so just copy the English word telephone and then eyeglasses right eyeglasses we say Myanmar okay so Myanmar okay Myanmar so Myat is a short one of your eyes okay if you say full context of the eye we say Myatsi so Myanmar is a glass okay man mirror we call man Myanmar so eyeglasses Myanmar many we say Paisan okay Paisan okay many we say Paisan but in a conversation you can say Pasan yeah so Paisan or Pasan yeah sometimes we pronounce that's the one is written but this is the one in the conversation Pasan yeah then next one photograph we say double okay double photograph we say double camera with the same copy as an English word camera yeah camera okay telephone ballpoint pen yeah paper we say saku yeah saku we start again to say it together telephone eyeglasses Myanmar many percent photograph double camera paper saku yeah then the next one the next 5 words vocabulary so table yeah table we say zaboe yeah table we say zaboe and then bed we say eya yeah okay then remember chair right chair we say kalatai time because I think that the color time is something like it's coming from the Western people the furniture that's why we put a color is that the people refer to the Western area at that point of the time so time means you sit color time yeah room you say a can okay bedroom so bedroom is we say the 8 can so 8 in Burmese means sleep yeah 8 can so bed is the way the place you sleep so 8 can so if you're sleepy you say H in there yeah H in there and remember a bag is also 8 but it's a different vowel so when you write it but the pronunciation is similar 8 and 8 is similar so sometimes you will be saying that I'm sleepy so you say H in there I have a bed 8 sheet there yeah so that sort of thing okay so table go together zabwe bed eya chair kalatai room a can bedroom 8 can so today vocabulary so what we cover is telephone eyeglasses Myanmar many percent photograph double camera paper Saku, table, Zaboye, bed, the place where you sleep, Aya, chair, Kalatai, room, a can, bedroom, a can. Okay, so start again. Telephone, eyeglasses, Myanmar, many, person, photograph, double, camera, paper, saku, table, Zabwe, bed, aya, chair, Kalatai, room, a can, bedroom, a can. So we cover some vocabulary in 5 weeks. We cover some of the vocabulary. Remember, in the week 1 or week 2, and then you have to remember and then remember the pronunciation. But don't worry about how to write in Burmese. It will cover later on when you know all the alphabets and vowels, right? As I mentioned, 33 consonants and around 14 vowels. In 33 consonants, probably 8 consonants are not normally used, is rarely used. So if you eliminate 33 minus 8, so you only have a 25 consonants, so that's mostly used in the daily writing. So when we do the script, after we finish the consonants and vowels, we will start writing the short sentences. Then you will understand the conversational vocabulary, how to write in there. Okay, so this for the conversational from week 1 to week 5. So we're going to go to the script lesson. Remember, every week I cover 3 consonants. So we have finished the 4 weeks, so that means 12 consonants already done. So I will start from the beginning, and then you go with me from week 1 to week 4. Then we will go to week 5. Yeah. So in the longer one, I will write and I will say. As I mentioned, you need to practice writing and say aloud. That's the way you will remember from your memory, and then you're mapping with your mind and then mapping with your handwriting. That's the way you remember. So it's better you can practice in a book or in the white book, so that you can reuse it later. Okay, I will start with the longer one and the shorter one. Okay, Kaji, 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 Kaji. In the shorter one, shorter form of pronunciation, Ka, 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 Ka. Ka gui, Ka gui, Ka gui, Ka gui, Ka gui, Ka gui, Ka gui. Ka, 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 Ka. Ka, ka. Gange, 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 gange. Ga, 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 ga. There's a week 1, 3 already. Yeah, week 1. Okay, Gaji, Kagwe, gange. Ga, ka, ga. So next week 2. Okay. Gaji, 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 gaji. Ga, 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 ga. Nga, 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 nga. They are the same in pronunciation in the long and short. Only one version. Nga, 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 nga. Salon, 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 salon. Sa, 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 sa. That's for the week 2. Okay. Week 3. So you have to practice. As I mentioned, if you don't practice, you're not going to remember. So every week you should practice that. Okay, so we're going to have after next week, we're going to have 3 weeks off for the December holiday. Then that time you catch up for week 1 to week 6. Okay, then when we come back, we will continue where we stop. Yeah. Sa lin sa lin sa lin sa lin sa 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 za gui za gui za gui za gui za gui za 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 mian zui 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 za 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 za. Okay. The next one, that's from last week. Okay. Nya, 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 nya. So they only have one pronunciation. The short one is the long one. The same. Nya, 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 nya. Nya means in Burmese is night time. Okay. Nya. Okay. We will cover some of the consonant, only consonant they have a meaning in Burmese. Okay. In here the consonant nya mean is night time. Okay, night. Then you do tatalinje. Okay. Tatalinje, 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 tatalinje. Or in the shorter one we call ta, 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 ta. The next one, ta wimbe, ta wimbe, ta wimbe, ta wimbe, ta wimbe. Shorter one, ta, 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 ta. Okay. So now today we're going to cover another 3 words. Okay, 3 consonants. So the first one is, remember this is a 4-line drawing book. Okay, I'm going to show with a 4-line drawing board. The first one we're going to do is da yin ka. So you start from this side. Okay, the opposite of the tatalinje. We start from here, and then we go from here, then that way. Okay, so that is what we call is da yin ka. Da yin G-A-U-K. Da yin ka. Okay, in the longer version, da yin ga. Okay, so go there, here. Okay, so if you write the bigger one, you go this, that. So the arrow format, you start from here, go there, and continually go there, and from here that's end. Yeah, so that's we call it da yin ga. Okay, da yin ga. Okay, try it again. Da yin ga. So don't go this side, okay? They'll go the other side. So da yin ga is a longer one, but in a shorter one we only call da. Da. Okay? So da yin ga in a longer one, shorter one, da. Okay? Write it again. Okay? I'll write it again and then say it in the long and then say it in the short form. Yeah? Da yin ga, da yin ga. But remember these has to be the same alignment. In the vertical you have to be same alignment, okay? Da yin ga, da yin ga. So that's to the same alignment. Da yin ga. Don't have a too much. This is wrong. Don't have a too much space in there. Okay, a little bit. Da yin ga, yeah. Da yin ga, da yin ga, da yin ga, da yin ga, da yin ga. This is one of them we don't normally use. So one of the 8 consonant don't normally use da yin ga, but you need to understand. But you won't see this one in the most of the writing because we don't normally use. Okay, but the long pronunciation is a da yin ga. Short pronunciation is a da. Yeah, remember da yin ga or da. Okay. So the next one is ha for the gaji. Okay, remember you know how to draw the gaji, right? Number 4 consonant. So this is a 4-line drawing. So you see, right? This is gaji, right? So I said ha for the gaji. Okay, so that's what we call is this. Yeah, how you say da yin mo. The same starting with the previous one. The previous one is da yin gao. This one is da yin mo. Okay. This is a shorter one, and this is a longer one, but the shorter one you only pronounce the da. Same thing. Okay. So da yin mo, 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 da yin mo. In the shorter one we pronounce a da, da, da. So a little bit in here, da. Don't write this because there's another word in there. Okay, so you have to have the first one, the starting little one should be in there. Da, da, yeah, da. Okay, this is also one of them rarely used. Okay, so da yin mo or da. Okay, the last one we are going to use. That one is it used sometimes, but not the commonly used. So remember we draw this is gaji, right? So this is a similar to gaji, but we put in the middle or something. Okay, so start with like that, and then you put one thing in here, and then you put it there. So that. This one should not be too big. Okay, a little bit, like that. So you don't do like, this is, you don't do the same scales of this and this. So it has to be the small scale set. But this is not right. It has to be small scale set in here, and then you write this. So in an arrow format, you go from here, come back to here, come back to here, and go there. There's an arrow format, right? So that's what we call is a na ji. Okay, in a longer one, we call it na ji. Okay, GYI. It's not na. Remember, another one is in similar to C. That's what we call it na. And another one nya, similar nga nya. This one na. Okay, na ji. Ji means a bigger one. So there's a smaller na. We have it in consonant. We got na ji in the longer one, but in the shorter one we got na. We call na. Okay. And you can say na ji or we call na. Okay. Na ji or in a shorter one na. Okay. So let's start again for today 3 consonants. Yeah. In a longer one, da yin gao. Da yin gao, da yin gao. Short one, da, da, da. Okay. Da yin mo, da yin mo, da yin mo. In a shorter version, da, da, da. Na ji, na ji, na ji. In a shorter version, na, na, na. Okay. So that is the end of today. Okay. So we're going to say it all together up to here, and you have to practice up to naji. Okay. Ga ji ka gui ga nge ga ji nga. Remember the 5 in the line. Ga ji ka gui ga nge ga ji nga. Sa long sa le za gui za min zui nya. Then the last one. Ta ta lin jai ta win be da yin gao da yin mo na ji. That's a longer version. In a shorter version, ga ka ga ga nga. Sa sa za za nya. Da ta da da na. Okay. So ga, yeah. Ga ka ga ga nga. Okay, nga. Sa sa za za nya. This is nya. This is nga. Okay. Then da ta da da na. Remember they are not the same. Nga nya na. Okay. So conclusion. Repeat with after me. Okay. Ka ji ka gui ga nge ga ji nga. Sa long sa lin za gui za mian zui nya. Ta de lin jai ta wen be da yin gao da yin mo na ji. In a shorter one, ga ka ga ga nga. Sa za nya. Da ta da na. Okay, thank you. I will see you next week.